If you're hanging a decorative mirror, a flat panel TV, or even a bike rack, you're probably going to need a stud finder. Anytime you hang something heavy, you want to make sure you're attaching it to the most secure part of your wall, and that means finding a stud. Think of a stud finder as a metal detector or a gadget that gives you X-ray vision to see what's behind your walls. There are two different types, magnetic and electronic. Magnetic sounds just like it is. There's a magnet that clings to the wall when it locates a nail or a screw, meaning it's found a stud. An electronic version has a sensor which detects changes in wall density. Either way is a great way to go, and I have both options to show you. First is the magnetic one. This is the Stud Buddy, and you can see basic, simple, bare bones, and affordable at about under $10. Then we have the electronic version. This is the Bosch GMS 120. This has an LCD screen, as you can see. It also gives you an audible alert, so visual confirmation, and a little beep when you find a stud. It also has something called multi-mode detection. So not only will it find a stud, but if there are live wires or pipes with water behind your walls. There are a number of other options that our editors have tested and recommended in a wide range of prices, so be sure to check out the full article at popularmechanics.com.